Welcome to this wonderful 4-bedroom, 4-bath home where East Credit meets Streetsville in Mississauga. Lovingly maintained and owned by the same family for 36 years, it's time for a new family to call it home. Big ticket improvements include the roof, windows, and a fully finished basement in-law suite with separate walk-up entrance. Let's take a tour of 5889 River Grove Avenue. This sought-after location offers a family-friendly neighborhood surrounded by all of the amenities you would want within walking distance. Elementary and senior schools are within 3 blocks along River Grove Avenue, and just 1 block away is the extensively renovated River Grove Community Center with multiple wellness and recreational facilities, indoor pools, and playground. Take a walk into town, as the locals call Streetsville, the village in the city, home to the largest number of historic buildings in Mississauga and over 300 unique businesses, including numerous local restaurants and shops. The lively Streetsville Village Square is home to events throughout the year, from summertime open-air markets, salsa in the square, to tree lighting during the holiday season. Nature enthusiasts of all ages will enjoy a bike ride or walk through the beautiful and scenic trail at Timothy Street Park, which runs along the Credit River and with an access point off of River Grove, right by your new home. I'm Tanya Krapolja with Keller Williams and Keller Williams Luxury Pro. For more information or to book a personal tour, call or text us 647-293-3785. Follow us on Instagram and share this video with someone you know who would love to make this their new home.